My crypto.com holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today I want to be talking about Crocoin, and I want to give you guys my opinion on where I think we're headed here because, man, oh man, it is a blood bath in this market. And I do think that there's some very important shifts and mindset shifts that are going on in the crypto ecosystem that we need to be talking about. So, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm maxi. I've got another video for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. All right, guys, so we are looking at the Crocoin chart on the daily time frame. And boy, oh boy, would you look at this. Exactly as I predicted. If you guys were to have opened up a short position on where I was talking about a week ago on Crocoin, I said this yellow line at 0.0830 cent is the magnet when we were underneath 10 cents. And boy, oh boy, we have touched it. And now the real question is, do we respect this line or do we break below it? Right now, when you look at Market Cipher, we are deep in the red on the money flow. But I will say, although altcoins are getting absolutely eaten alive, there are some important things we need to be thinking about here. But in the meantime, I do think that there is great opportunity to be doing some high leverage scalp trading, very tight stop losses to make some good profit right now. I'm making some good profit on some shorts here, on some altcoins, specifically Solana meme coins, which we'll get into shortly. But if you guys do want to take advantage of that, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin, as well as a $5.6 million trading competition. If you sign up with this link down below, you'll be a part of my team, and there's a $5.6 million trading. It's a prize pool. It's crazy. So if we win, we can split some money. But I really want to say that I do think right now the market is in somewhat of a shift here. And I think really the most profitable thing to be doing right now is probably high leverage scalps with very tight stop losses. But I do want to say over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blackc. I say day 96 bull posting Crocoin to $1. My crypto.com holders, are you still here? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you still here if you are a Crocoin holder? I think we are at the precipice of the rotation from meme coin liquidity to utility. We're going to get deeper into this. This could be the beginning of positive price action for Crow. What do you think, Crow fam? Repost this if you are bullish. Now, why am I saying that? Well, there's been a lot of information coming to the light when it comes to Solana meme coin influencers and just meme coin influencers in general. I'm talking about insider trading, and a lot of these leaked messages are coming out, and I think a lot of people are tired of having the house win in the casino, the Solana casino. I think a lot of people are losing faith in Solana as well, as a lot of this money is getting extracted out of the Solana ecosystem, and it's bringing it down. And on top of that, you see Bitcoin making a little bearish posturing, which we'll get into shortly. I think that you're going to see a lot of meme coins underperform and bleed out significantly here. We've already been seeing it play out. My question is, how long does it last here? And what I really want to draw emphasis to is that there will be a shift. The money will, once everything calms down, I think that people are going to start looking to, hey, where can I put my money in something that is not going to get completely rugged to zero in literally 30 seconds after I put my money into it? And that will draw attention to utility plays, guys. Back to utility. And I do think that Crocoin has utility. The question is it enough utility versus, say, like Ethereum, or even Bitcoin has more utility because it's a store of value, or even Solana has utility, but really it's just the gas token for the crypto casino, in my opinion. So I do want to take a look at Cronos right now. We're sitting at rank 43, down about 10% in the past 7 days and down 5% in the past 24 hours, sitting at a $2.23 billion market cap, floating above that extremely crucial level here, this yellow line at 0.0830 cents, guys. When you look at the entire market right now, Bitcoin's trading at $95,700. Bitcoin dominance rallying higher and higher, trading at 60.31%. Excluding stablecoins, basically 62.3%. Absolutely incredible, guys. You look at Bitcoin dominance, and it is showing bullish posturing. It's really unfortunate because I know every day people want to be calling for altcoin season, but because I called this move as well. I said, hey, this looks pretty bullish, having a trigger wave right here on Market Cipher on Bitcoin dominance, and you start to see this play out like this. this line like this, usually you're going to see a big momentum wave play out. And yes, we are rejecting off of this resistance here, off the rising wedge at about 61%. But guys, I would not be surprised at all to see this curl up, to see this money flow curl up just a little bit and put us back in here. And you know, based on the overall market sentiment right now, I think a lot of people are saying, hey, I just want Bitcoin. I'm done playing this casino roulette game in the crypto space that's not buying Bitcoin. Because in my opinion, I do think that buying Bitcoin is the name of the game. Is you trade altcoins so that you can gain more Bitcoin. Now, I do think that Crocoin has potential to do this. I do think that it could be a good risk to reward ratio, but right now, things aren't looking that good, guys, you know, in the short term. Yes, we could spill over here, but this is bullish posturing, in my opinion. Yes, the money flow is coming down, Bitcoin dominance, but with the green trigger wave like this, probably could see something like this play out here. Maybe even wicking and trying to get a back above here to 64, 65%. It really depends on what plays out here in the very, very near short term. And when you're looking at Bitcoin, guys, it is bearish posturing, guys. It is bearish posturing. Daily candle closures underneath the bullish trend line. The line in the sand has been broken by a wick that about $94,400, but it is still a higher low if you look at just by the wicks. Can't really see a wick come down below like 93,600 on a daily candle closing basis. I mean, even just a wick, not even a closure. A wick below like 93K, I would not like that. But as of right now, this does look a little bearish. Sure, we might get a little bit of a bounce here, but as of right now, there's a lot going on. We are kind of in no man's land, but I will say that risk is to the downside on the medium term. But in the short term right now, I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce on Bitcoin. A little bit of relief here. But because we really are seeing a lot of this pain coming out from altcoins and seeing Ethereum still floating around $2,700, really want to see that get back above 3K sooner rather than later if we want to see Crocoin perform. But all in all here, guys, Crocoin is touching extremely important support level at 0.0830. This is a magnet. This is a magnet, guys, this yellow line here. I would not feel comfortable opening up a short right now. I think that the majority of this move is played out. If we break below this level, now that'll be a different story, and I think that we're going to be setting up for quite a significant amount of time of sideways price action with a little bit of relief bounces here and there, but when you look at this, I mean, this looks like pure capitulation right here. When we were up here at about 12 cents, we capitulated down with that huge wick, and now we're filling that wick. It was exactly as I predicted. I said when we were below this 10-cent price level, expect the magnet to be at this yellow line at 0.0830, and that's exactly what happened. And market cipher on the daily time frame for Crocoin looks awfully bearish. Now, I do want to say, guys, the market is maturing. The crypto market is maturing. This time is different. But I will say some bullish hopium for the Crocoin bulls. Crocoin is not a meme coin. It has utility. Now, you can argue how much utility it really has. It does have utility versus, say, Bonk or Fwog or there's so many meme coins on Solana where they're literally just speculation. That's all it is. It's gambling. I do think that there's a chance that we do see some of that liquidity move over into utility plays, and that being Crocoin. Now, I do have to emphasize, because I know a lot of people get upset when I'm bull posting Crocoin. Guys, I do not have all my eggs in one basket. Crocoin is a small portion of my portfolio, very small percentage, but I still have hundreds of thousands of Crow, and I still believe in Crypto.com, and my fundamental analysis is that I am bullish on Crypto.com, and being bullish on Crypto.com, Crocoin should be brought up with it. Now, that really is in the hands of the leadership at Crypto.com, so we're going to have to see how that plays out. I do not own any equity in Crypto.com. Maybe that's something I should look into, but as of right now, we're going to have to see how this plays out. We could be in for some pain here, especially based on the overall 4-year cycle time. We technically have about 250 days left in the bull market. Now, does that mean that we're going to have to wait to the end of the year to see altcoin season? or are we going to see a bounce right now because everyone's capitulating? All I know is we're going to see a rotation of liquidity. The question is, where is this going? Where is it going to go? Let me in the comments below, what do you think about it? Where do you think that liquidity is going to flow? I think that there's a good chance it flows into utility plays, as long as everyone's not just broke from all this extraction off of the blockchain, because that's all that's really happening here. That's all I got for you guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Join the trading competition on Blowfin down below, pinned comment or description box. $5,000 sign bonus. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.